Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter timeline on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down, we will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down and we will go to find Twitter app. We will click here on Twitter, then we come to next window here, we will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and we click here on storage, then we click here on clear cache, and we click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Twitter app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for you. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Twitter settings.